Hello guys, there we have a Samsung Galaxy M33 and today I will show you how you can scan your body temperature on this device by the applications. So, in the first step, just download this application and open it. Now click the skip. And we have to wait a moment. Close the ad and click here. Now just hold your finger here to scan your body temperature. Now we have to wait again. How you can see, these are my results. If you want to save it, just click here and save it here. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.